Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered why your Android phone's battery seems to drain faster than it should, even when you're barely using it? The truth is, many Android phones come with features enabled by default that keep running quietly in the background. Some constantly scan for nearby devices, others track your location, while a few simply continue working even when you don't need them. None of these settings are necessarily bad, but if you rarely use them, they can increase background activity and use more battery than necessary. In this video, I'll show you several settings that are worth checking. They only take a few minutes to change, and depending on how you use your phone, they may help improve battery life and reduce unnecessary background activity. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap Google. Now tap All Services, then tap on Devices. Look for Scan for nearby devices. If this feature is enabled, your phone regularly searches for nearby devices that you can connect to. If you don't frequently connect to new Bluetooth accessories or nearby devices, you can safely turn this feature off. Whenever you need to pair a new device, you can simply turn on Bluetooth and connect manually. Now let's check another setting. Go back to the main settings page, open Connections, then tap More Connection Settings. Here you'll find Nearby Device Scanning. Just like the previous setting, this allows your phone to continuously search for compatible devices in the background. If you don't use it, switch it off. While you're here, tap Printing. Many Android phones continuously search for wireless printers, even if you've never printed anything from your phone. Unless you regularly print documents from your phone, there's no reason to keep this running all the time. Turn it off. Next, go back to the main settings screen. Scroll down all the way and open Digital Wellbeing. This feature keeps track of how much time you spend using your phone, which apps you open, how many notifications you receive, and other usage statistics. Some people love these reports, others never even open them. If you don't use Digital Wellbeing, tap the three dots in the top corner, Open Settings. Then tap on Deny Access to Usage Data, then tap on Setting. If you don't want your phone constantly tracking app usage for these reports, you can simply turn it off. Now let's reduce unnecessary notifications. Go back to Settings page, then scroll up a bit and tap on Notifications. Then open App Notifications. Take a few minutes to scroll through the list. Many apps send notifications that simply aren't useful. Every notification wakes up part of your phone, which means unnecessary notifications can contribute to extra battery usage. Keep notifications enabled for apps you actually care about, like messages, phone, or email. Disable the rest if you don't need them. And tap Location, then open App Permissions. Look for apps that are allowed to access your location all the time. Some apps genuinely need this, like navigation or emergency services, but many apps don't. If an app only needs your location while you're using it, change the permission to allow only while using the app. If you're unsure, choose Ask every time instead. This helps reduce unnecessary background location activity. Now let's optimize background apps. Go back to Settings, open Battery and Device Care, then tap on Battery and here tap Background Usage Limits. Enable Put Unused Apps to Sleep. Android will automatically put apps you haven't used for a while into sleep mode so they don't continue consuming battery in the background. This is one of the easiest settings to enable, and it works automatically. While you're still in the battery section, you will see battery protection if your phone supports it. You can simply turn this off. These settings don't increase battery life during the day, but they can help reduce long-term battery wear by preventing your phone from sitting at 100% charge for extended periods. If you usually charge your phone overnight, this feature is definitely worth considering. And that's it. None of these settings are mandatory, but they're all worth reviewing. Depending on your phone model, the apps you have installed, and how you use your device, making these small changes can reduce unnecessary background activity and help your battery last longer throughout the day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Android tips, privacy guides, and hidden settings that most people never check. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.